Hello, lovely people, and welcome to my channel. The French armoire is very old, almost no varnish left, so I haven't painted it with any undercoat, just cleaned it well. The first coat is olive chalk paint, and I'm laying it quite thin, spraying the surface with water. With a wet cloth, I am distressing some high points and corners. And this is how it looks after the first coat. For the second coat, I am using a whitewash, half white chalk paint, half water. And wiping it off. This is the look we got after the second coat. A third coat is the olive chalk paint wash, which is again half paint, half water. I am painting each coat very thin, that they are almost transparent. The fourth coat is the whitewash, again wiping it off. Then I dry brushed this beautiful original wood carving with the white chalk paint. To dry brush, you use very little paint, slightly brushing the high points with almost dry brush. Then I seal the paint with a clear, water-based varnish. Later, you will see why. On the right side, I've already added a brown wax, and you can see the difference. To get the brown wax into the low points, I am just spreading it over and wiping it off. To be able to move the colored wax around, always use a clear wax or clear varnish first. You see how easy I can move the wax and wipe it off where I don't want it. And here is the final result. You can see how all these layers highlight the carving beautifully. Just to remind you how it was before and how it is now. Thank you so much for spending time with me. If you want to watch more techniques using a chalk paint, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments below.